Hello and welcome to this new tutorial of the series Data Mining Concepts and Techniques. Today you will learn the major issues in data mining. So today's session is very important. So watch till end for the complete understanding. So let's get started. So what are the major issues in data mining? These are three major issues in data mining. First is mining tech methodology and user interaction. Second is performance issues. And third is diversity of database types. So we will see these three major issues in detail in the next slide. So the first is mining methodology and user interaction. Mining different kinds of knowledge in mining methodology is important. So what is mining methodology and user interaction, and what is this issue is the data mining should cover a wide spectrum of data analysis and knowledge discovery tasks. So it enable to use the database in different ways. It requires the development of numerous data mining techniques. So this is the mining different kinds of knowledge. So the next is interactive mining of knowledge at multiple levels of abstraction. So what is that? Means the difficult to know exactly what will be discovered, and it allow users to focus the search refine data mining request. The next is incorporation of background knowledge. So what is this issue? Guide the discovery process, and it allow discovered patterns to be expressed in concise terms and different level of abstraction. And then next issue is the data mining query language and ad hoc data mining, where high level query language need to be developed and should be integrated with a database or data warehouse query language. So this is the first issue where the mining methodology and user interaction is the main purpose, where we cannot directly say that this one methodology is perfect for our example, or this is the way how user can interact with our data mining system. So for that, this major issue, the mining methodology and user interaction, is very important in that perspective. And the presentation and visualization of results, where knowledge should be easily understood and directly usable. High level languages and visual representation or other expressive forms should be there, and it requires the data mining system to adopt the above techniques. For presentation and visualization is one of the sub issue in the data mining. Then next sub issue is handling noisy or incomplete data. So how to handle this noisy or incomplete data? It requires the data cleaning methods and data analysis methods that can be handle noise properly. So handling noisy or incomplete data is one of the major sub issue. Then pattern evaluation, the interestingness problem is there. So how to develop techniques to access the interestingness of discovered patterns, especially with subjective measures based on user beliefs or expectation. So how to find the pattern evolution for this is very major issue. So if the that pattern is on basis of user beliefs and expectation, how to evaluate that pattern? This is the question here. Then the second major issue is the performance issue, where if you take the efficiency and scalability in picture, or if you keep in mind the efficiency and scalability, then huge amount of data is generating day by day in data mining systems, and running time must be predictable and acceptable. So how to reduce the running time or execution time of the queries is very important. and whether this time is acceptable or very large for the perspective of performance. So this will be considered in efficiency and scalability and parallel distributed and incremental mining algorithms. So if we consider this as a performance issue, then it divides the data into partitions and process in parallel. So parallel algorithms are there. So which algorithm is better, that we will not directly decide. So incorporate database updates without having to mine the entire data again from scratch. So this is the performance issue where the major points are efficiency and scalability, parallel distributed and incremental mining algorithms. And the last major issue in data mining is diversity of database types. As huge amount of data is generating day by day in data mining systems, so there are many types of data from different sources must be present. So how to choose the simple set of database type or our required database type is the main question. So other database that contain complex data objects, multimedia data, spatial data, etc. So there is a huge or diversity of database types there. So choose the correct type is the main question, and expect to have different data mining systems for different kinds of data. So the heterogeneous databases and global information systems where data mining becomes very challenging and fast evolving field in data mining. So where there is a heterogeneous databases from different sources is there, then how to combine these databases into a uniform schema is important question with regard to diversity of database types and in the global information systems. So this is very challenging and we can say the major issue in data mining system. So this is the today's session of major issues in data mining system. So if you like this video, please subscribe the channel, press on the like button to motivate me, and share this video to your friend. And if you have any query, comment down in comment box. I will answer that query for you. Keep learning, keep watching. Thank you. Jai Hind.